Hey guys, welcome to Design Doors. So this is the person behind this channel is JS, and I have just created this new channel. What you guys can expect from this channel is that there will be some videos on UI UX design principles, some walkthroughs, tutorials, designing apps, web apps, websites, and some tips and tricks for Figma and some design critiques. So there will be lots of material for somebody who is excited to start their new journey in the field of UI or UX, or they are going to start their career in this field. So talking about my background is that I am a certified Google certified UI UX designer, and I've been working in this field for almost 2 years. I have designed lots of solutions for lots of problems, and I've been delivering those products to my clients. So what you guys can expect is that we will be learning all of these things, or maybe not learning, or getting inspiration from all this stuff. uh, you got it will be a source of inspiration for all of you. So we will be doing for a series for designing a mobile application. So we will discuss everything: how to create wireframes, how to do research, how to choose a color palette, how to choose a typography, spacing system, grid layouts, and everything and much more, right? Stay tuned for my other videos. And because I am from Pakistan and I am doing this series in English language, but if you guys want me to do this series in Urdu as well, I can do that for you guys. Just comment down below, and to show your support for this channel. So I will come up with lots of good content. So stay tuned. Thank you. Take care till then, and bye bye. Meet you soon in another video.